Located in the heart of Cap Cana, this fully furnished luxury condo features spectacular ocean views. The spacious floor plan has an open kitchen which overlooks the dining room, all with views to the large terrace and its ocean views. All 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms are filled with natural light. This condo also has maids' quarters and 2 parking spaces, while the building features 2 swimming pools and access to the beach. As an owner, you can enjoy all the gated resort community of Cap Cana has to offer, such as beaches, golf course, restaurants, spas, hotels, and more. Contact Coldwell Banker Prime Realty for more information on this listing.